Business, the ebb and flow of economy, the edge of competition. In every country around the world and in every economy, there are companies vying to rise to the top of their industry. And there is one word that speaks louder than any other.
Leadership is very hard to find. Most people don't have it. Leadership is simply influence. Influence only comes when other people have real agreements with you. My background was real estate development, and the boss was, he was just interested at the bottom dollar. And eventually his business eroded because of the fact that he didn't care about the people. And he didn't have any leadership. I just realized that's not the way to go. And then when I opened my own business, we had a good relationship with the subcontractors, and we were successful in the real estate market. It wasn't until I got into network marketing that really tested my ability to lead. Because even though I was able to have a good staff of employees in my construction company, at the same time making the subcontractor work together, it's very different from doing something in network marketing. Because network marketing, people are actually volunteering to come with you. And because network marketing is like a mirror, it will give you a true reflection of what you are. If you're having a team that's growing, that means you're actually doing good. You're becoming a real leader. What makes us different today is I really learned, again, to find common ground and find consensus in terms of everyone to work together.
Leaders are not made overnight. At YOR Health, we know that there are people from all walks of life who have years of experience in leadership and who can lend their unique talents to a growing company that rewards vision.
My definition of a leader is somebody that sees the big picture. The big picture being the people. Any type of business requires people in order to generate revenue. So a leader would not only have to have a desire to want to be a leader, but also be able to listen to people and understand that each person is the equivalent of themselves. And if they can think that way, then they are a leader.
First of all, I think someone does have to have an opportunity to shine. Because myself personally, I always internally wanted to do something. I really believe that. But my whole life, I was always a follower. I was always behind the scenes. I was always in the shadows. I never did anything because I never came to a place where I was encouraged to be a leader and I was developed. And even when I messed up, even when I made mistakes, there were people there for me to support me, even when I wasn't doing that well. And that's why I think this business is perfect for people, for anybody. Because if you have that internal kind of like flame to be a leader, we can say that we have the products here and the support here to help develop those people into what they really believe they can do with their life.
The great thing about the compensation plan is that, first of all, it allows for duplication. And once you find a leader in that group can just spawn on and duplicate itself. So you can go out there and build new groups and add extra income to yourself. On top of that, we have something called a 3% leadership pool. As the company continues to grow, results in a very significant amount of income.
The quality of people is what attracted me to the company. In no way at the higher level did I see anybody speak out of selfishness, out of greed. I just saw people just very genuine and willing to help others.
I'm surrounded by a different type of culture. Before, my parents used to tell me, you know, just stick with Cape Verdean. That's why I've been in this country for so long. I still have that accent because I was only interacting with the Cape Verdeans, you know, speak Portuguese all the time. But when I came to network marketing, I was able to go out there and talk to different people. And I saw that everyone, truly inside, everyone's the same. What I've been taught in YOR Health, it's relationship. I was taught that what I came to learn and I came to witness is that relationship is one of the most powerful things you could ever make in life.
Especially leaders that are established out there. Why I say so? Because if someone like me with zero business experience, not the biggest guy in stature, and of minority background, add that to I have a high-pitched voice, and I could have found success here, then I really believe that people that have more credibility and more credentials than I do would have a much easier time. So we encourage you to join us.